Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our LEGO Star Wars Invisible Hand build from the 25 years of LEGO Star Wars collection. So, it has been a little bit, so my bad. Work has been kind of busy and I haven't had a chance to record Legos in a while. But we can move that back, and we're going to be continuing with the front of the ship. So, kind of spread these out. I'm going to start out with one of these. Maybe. Might zoom in just a little bit. Need that piece and a little stud in front of it. There we go. And need a clear yellow, one of these on top of it, and we need to do this step twice. Maybe. Okay, there's that. Okay. And we need to put stickers on. Yay. Okay. Let's try and get these as straight as possible. That is not straight at all. Still no. If we do it like that, no. Okay, I can't pull it off, so I guess it'll be like that. Okay. Okay, that one was better. Okay, got that step done. On to the next page. There's that, and the next page. So another thing with this build, we are going to try and finish. Hang on, sorry. Like that? Yeah. So we're going to try and finish this, the Invisible Hand in 2 more parts. So we'll probably make this one 25 minutes. As you can tell that it's not 20. There we go. Now we need 2 of these. This little thing on top. Perfect. And now we just need to do it again. Right? I don't think it mattered. So looking at it like that. Okay. So now we need 2 more of these, but with a black dot on the bottom. Facing out like that. Okay. And let's go this way here. Okay. Now on to the next step, which is just one of these going there to kind of hold it in, I guess. Do we have both lights on? It feels really dark. Maybe if I move that over a bit, I don't know. Okay, and this goes on top of, not there. Goes on top of that, yeah. Like, it's kind of hard to show with the black pieces. But anyway, here's the next step. And the next page. Okay, so we need this and that facing in. Facing in. Sorry, I didn't realize I was up here. But nope, that goes here, maybe. Please. There we go. Okay. Now we need 2 yellows and 2 blues. Yellow first, and then a blue. Okay, that goes there. Then we need a 1x2 with a little stud on top there. Now we need a hook piece. Where are you? There you are. All right, there we go. Now on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. So starting off with one of these. I can go ahead and set that down, I guess. Okay. A yellow dot there and a stud on top. And we can do that twice. Stud and dot. Okay. I need to raise this up. Keep building up here, like off the screen. Okay. Now we need 2 of these with just a black dot. Okay. There we go. And it goes on like that. Okay, and now the next page, we need another one of these. With 2 studs on either side, like that. Then 2 more black pieces here with the yellow dot. Facing down, and yep, there it is. Thought for a second we were missing it. Okay. On to the next page. There's that. And the next page. like that. There's the other one. Okay, so now it's stable-ish. Okay, now we need this piece here. This brown goes on top. That's weird. Okay. Oh. So I guess it goes... What? Yeah. I guess it goes like that. That pops there. Would have made more sense to make that push into that, but I don't design them. All right, on to the next page. There's that. Okay, so we need this long piece. I think this just clips in here. And this just goes there. Okay. And now these go on either side. There and there. Nice, satisfying snap. And we need this little ice skate in the front. Maybe. Please. There we go. Okay. Okay, now we have this black piece with a 1x2 with a little hook on the end. Okay, and that goes here. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And that's where it goes. Okay, so starting with this thing, we need both pinks in the back side of it. Now we need to flip it over. Okay. I can put these little Technic reds in the bottom. Let's flip this over, and I believe it goes here. Perfect. And we can probably get rid of these two. I bet that's it. Yep. And it looks like the next step is connecting the two halves. At least we're still flying half a ship. And there's that. Okay. That's not right. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so the next page is literally breaking it in half. These connector bricks and clips allow the front half of the starship to be separated from the rear, in case you ever want to recreate the events of the Invisible Hand's fiery landing. That's pretty funny. So, yeah, I'm not gonna pull it apart until It's fun. Okay, so we can move that back. We're on bag number 5, so let's open it up. You know what? I think we might be able to just keep the 20-minute videos going. Or we might be able... No, we're not going to finish it. That would be too long. Okay. There's the first page of steps. And the second page. Actually, it's possible that we finish it today. I don't know. Okay. Now we need 2 1x4s. And these go here. And in there. Okay. We need 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay. Okay. On to the next page. There's that. And that. Interesting. But looks like we need that little 1x2 and a 2x4 kind of plate. Like that. There it is. This covers those. I hate that everything's black. It's hard to show what I'm doing. And there's that. And then these 2 1x4s go on either side. Oh yeah, I'm pretty certain we're going to be able to finish it today. So there's that. And the next page. So let's go ahead and move that out of the way. Got that. Need an L piece. There it is. A 1x4. And then a tall boy. Right there. Okay. Now we're basically doing that, but reversing. 1x4, and then an L. Yep. Okay. On to the next page. There's that. And the next step. Okay. On to the next page. There's that. And that. Okay. So we need this piece One of these L's. Another one and another L. Okay, looking at it like this, they go how? There, oh, sorry, and there. That's weird. Okay. And then we have this piece here. Clips on like that, I believe. Okay, looking at it like this. No, like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it is. I don't know why I was having so much trouble with that, but here's the next step, 169. And the next step, just 2 pieces. Sorry. I don't know why I'm building up here. Okay. Next step is that. And then putting the nameplate on. Okay. Spin it around. What are we doing? This thing. Does it go that way? Okay, so like that. I'm so confused. Okay, so we'll just push that in. And I guess it'll be like that. Okay. And here's the invisible, sorry, the invisible hand Star Wars piece. It just goes in there, push it back a little bit. These go here. All right, now on to the next step. Okay, so there's that. Wait, that doesn't... Huh. Interesting. Okay, yeah, we're not going to be doing that. We're going to have that there. That, this on top. Let's try not to ruin the piece as we freaking scratch it. But anyway. Okay, let's zoom out again. Well, aim up. And how the H does this thing go on? It's the front. So, like that. All right. There is our invisible hand. And that's the rest of the book. Here, I'll go ahead and show that. I mean, you're supposed to have that to the side, I guess, but I don't want to. So, that's going to be it for the invisible hand. If you enjoyed that Lego build, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed it. And I don't know which one we're going to be doing next. We might do the Executor or the Tantive ships. We will see. Go ahead and subscribe to see which ship we build next. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next build. Bye.